guys, it's Lisette here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also the little bell notification. That way you know every time I post a new video. By the time this video goes up, I'm sure or hoping that I would have reached 5,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. I can't wait to continue growing within 2018 and all of that jazz. So today's video is going to be this kind of initial wig review, and I'm just going to talk to you guys about this. And I tried to film myself like putting this on, but my viewfinder is like this small and my eyesight sucks, so I could not look through that thing. So I'll put however much footage I can, but I have a feeling that it looks really bad. But anyways, so this hair is from China Lace Wig. It is a 360 wig, 22 inches. This is, I think the density was 150, and it's a natural color. I have to cough, hold on. I was getting over sickness. This is the hair naturally straight. Like I haven't done anything to it, so this is how it is. And I think I'm gonna wear it like this tonight. I don't like putting heat on stuff right away, so I'm glad that it's like bone straight already. The hair is really soft. It just smells like hair. You feel like it smells like a beauty supply store. So I have no problems with that so far when I'm like running my fingers through it. Oh, I got one strand. I was gonna say I haven't gotten anything, but one strand just came out, so that's not too bad to me. I like the hair so far. I think that I look really good. I like it. It could be laying flatter, but that's my bad because I don't know how to cornroll, so I kind of did like 2 twists with my hair going down, and my hair like poofed up. So that's what that is. Besides that, I feel like this top part's laying really flat. I also did not bleach the knots. I'm one lazy girl, and also I don't have any like more bleach with me, and I didn't feel like running out. That's also why you see me in the video. I use a black cap because that's what I had lying around. I also didn't want to go out and buy a new one, a nude one, but obviously having a nude cap and then lace or bleaching the lace will help your hair look a lot better. But so far with my laziness and what I did, I think that it should pop in and I like it. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys view whatever it is that I'm trying to do that I tried to film earlier, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see a makeup look with this, if you can even see my makeup, I feel like it's so bright in here. But if you guys want to start seeing some more makeup looks from me, let me know. I really don't know what direction I want my channel to go in. So if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
On the switch up, never can I keep up. I don't know what you mean, I don't know what you need. You're always on the switch up, never can I keep up. I don't know what you mean, I don't know what you need. Why can't you just be truthful to me? Always playing games, always running away. This is so much than it all seems. Pushing me away, and now I'm feeling away. But why can't you hear me when I speak? I'm begging for you to try. Stop telling me all these lies. If she means more to you than I ever did, tell me straight up, I'll tell you fucked up. You're always on the switch up, never can I keep up. I don't know what you mean, I don't know what you need. You're always on the switch up, Never can I keep up.